Hello again, hello again. It's Robin from Holstein House. A few days ago, not quite a week, this is Saturday, so it was Tuesday, I guess. Anyway, I did a little video showing you where I cut this sweet potato vine back. And everything I'm reading says give them a week to harden up the skin. The problem I've got happening is frost and rain. So I got them covered the other day so the frost didn't get it, because the frost's supposed to make them mushy. But I've got rain coming in, and you're supposed to let them be dry and not water them before you gather them. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to break this grow bag open. Well, it's already open. But anyway, we're going to see how many, if any. I think we've got at least one, but we'll see how many sweet potatoes we've got and let them get to curing. That's what I'm going to put them in. And hopefully, I think you can see. Let me double check here. Yeah, you should be able to see. Alright, so I'm going to take the rest of this vine out here. It was a lovely vine. It had gorgeous flowers on it. Big old one here. Oops. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Chicken feed bag to try to catch what soil I can. It has a little flap here, but I don't want to pop that open and have all this spill out, so oh my. Oh, there's a salamander. Chicken feed. Look here. Look here. Oh my gosh. That's tremendous. Let me cut those off. Where are my cutters? Ah, pleasantly surprised. Can you see that right there? Tuber sticking out there. And the seam is busting. They're busting at the seams. Plant those that deep, the little slips. So there's a nice one. Oh shoot! I scratched it. Darn it! Squash that. Wow! Look at that. That more than pays for itself. Cover a little bit of dirt there and see if I can scratch from getting. Man, this is impressive to me. Yeah, I saw a few small ones at the top when we checked the other day. Oh, there's another nice one. Daggone. Really heavy. Daggone. Oh, the bag, I'm just going to give up on the bag. Of course, now that I want to give up on it, break. There we go. Wow, this is crazy. Look at that. There's one. Oops. These are from slips, sweet potato slips that I took off of a store-bought sweet potato. Dang, I keep scratching. And just put them down in this grow bag. Oh, crazy! This is one gigantic. Wow! This is great. This is really great. I know I'm right in your way. Look at this. Oh, darn it. So the skin is real thin, obviously, because I keep scratching it. But, so they have to cure a few days. Wow, this is crazy. I'm sure I've been in your way most of the time. I'm really tickled about this. This is probably the second best thing I've ever done. That one looks a little squishy there. Yeah, so I planted, I think, 8 little slips, and just poked them in here and left them, and let them do their thing, kept them watered every so often. Wow. Let me cut this. So hopefully, Betty thinks she likes some sweet potatoes. You can't see it. Chickens are after the bugs that are underneath here. Hopefully those few scratches on there won't hurt them if I let them dry out and stuff. I'm really flabbergasted. This is great. I can only imagine if I'd have left them in the ground instead of this grow bag. Well, of course, bugs make that too easier. I don't know. And that may not be all. Let me try to chase down these. Quit that, Betty. Quit it. Hey, stop it. These vines here. I don't feel anymore. Watch out, chicken. Stop that. Why are you scratching your head on the flowers for? I've got a small chrysanthemum here that I've just gotten over, and she's scrubbing her head. Yeah, I think that's it. I don't feel or see anymore. Wait. Oh no, that's the bag. Getting greedy. Wow, that's just crazy. That is absolutely crazy. Let me get this one. Oh, darn it. The skin is really frail. I just keep raking what nails I've got across of them. Wow, can you see that? That's crazy. Just from a few slips. Wow. Chickens, quick. They're going to end up scratching all my soil into the dirt. Wow, I'm glad you got to see that with me. So now I just got to try to save them till they harden up. Gosh, I don't know where to put them now. But that's just great. That's absolutely fabulous. I had to stop and get to those because of the weather, but I don't think they could have done much better. So thanks for all your likes, shares, and subscribes. If you got this far, I really appreciate you. I really do. You can see the ducks tearing into the leaves on the vine. What's left of it. If you want to know more, go to robinholstein.com. Go to the contacts page. You'll see all my social media stuff over there. Wow, this is great. Absolutely wonderful. Can you believe this? Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.